Alright guys, let's check out some of these scooters here in Thailand. We just purchased this one. If you didn't know, it's the brand new 2024 Honda Giorno. But check out all these scooters in Thailand.